Hey there, this is Lula LV. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing my recent beauty purchases from Dior, including their new 2022 holiday gift sets. And make sure you watch until the end because I will be doing a giveaway in today's video as well. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, we talk mostly about Louis Vuitton, but other high-end luxury, contemporary designer, and premium beauty brands as well. If you enjoy unboxings, product reviews and comparisons, and tips on how to be a smart luxury shopper, please hit that subscribe button and feel free to also follow me on Instagram, where I share a lot of luxury content as well as little tidbits of my life. Now, let's get into today's video. Dior recently released their holiday gift sets, and I highlighted a few of them in my last video on luxury gifts under $1,000. So if you haven't watched that video yet, I will link to it below. I love Dior Beauty. One of my favorite products, as you can see right here, is their Lip Glow Balm. I've repurchased this so many times, and I usually purchase it in color 12, Rosewood. This is just such a beautiful, perfect color. So when the beauty kits for Dior were released this year, I picked up a few to gift, and let's see what I picked up. Let's open it up. This is the receipt and return information in this envelope, and it comes with the tissue paper and Dior sticker. Okay, so let's see. I purchased, as I said, a few of the beauty sets, a fragrance, and I received a free gift and some samples. Let's start with the free items. I did receive a Dior beauty pouch. This is just a plain cosmetics case. I always love getting these. They have this beautiful bright red bag with the CD logo on the front. And for the free samples, they're in this lovely dust bag here. I received quite a few free samples. We'll start with the smallest ones. 2 samples from Dior Prestige, their micro serum, as well as their micro lotion. Also from Prestige, I did receive a larger sample of the rose serum. I have actually not tried any of the Dior Prestige products yet, so I'm really looking forward to trying this out. And it comes in this lovely glass bottle, and this is one of their advanced serums. One of the other larger samples I received was this great lipstick. This is the Dior Rouge in their color 999, which is one of their signature red colors from Dior. This is a really great size for travel, and it's just a beautiful bright red lipstick, which is always a great look for the holiday season, especially. So this is the Dior Rouge lipstick. And I received 2 fragrance samples as well. Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. And this is, how large is this sample? I think it's maybe a 5 milliliter sample. And this is exactly what the actual bottle looks like with this beautiful fabric bow. Ah yes, this is a 5 ml sample. And the second and last fragrance sample I have is the Dior Gris. I love that this comes in this round box. It almost reminds me of the Louis Vuitton boxes that their fragrances come in. And this is from their private collection, which is their premium line of fragrances. I believe it's called La Collection Privée. And this is their fragrance, Gris Dior. I really, really love this one. So I'm really looking forward to trying this out a little bit more. Now let's take a look at what else I purchased. I did purchase one of the fragrances, the Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. And this is in the, I believe the 30, yes, this is the 30 milliliter size. So I believe that's about 1 ounce. And this will be included in the giveaway later in this video, so make sure you watch until the end. Now, the 2 beauty sets I purchased 2 of each set. The Dior Addict Glow set. As I showed you earlier in the video, I'm a huge fan of their lip glow. I've purchased this again and again so many times. And I purchased 2 of these. One is for me and one is for you. I will be giving it away with the Miss Dior fragrance. And the second kit I bought is the Diorshow Mascara kit. And again, 2 of these, one for me and one to give away to you. So let's open these up and take a look at them. I've set aside the 2 boxes that I will be giving away, and these are the ones I will be keeping that I will open up to show you. First, let's look at the Dior Addict Glow set. They both come in these beautiful packages that are navy blue with gold print, matching the gift ribbon that we saw on the box earlier. This set includes a cosmetics pouch, the lip maximizer, and the lip glow. Here is the beautiful velvet pouch. Gorgeous navy blue. And I do like this, has a double zipper, which is really great. And here are the lip products inside, wrapped in tissue. And the 2 products, this is my favorite, the Lip Glow Color Reviver Balm. And this is in the color pink. So this is a bit lighter than the rosewood color. I believe it's a bit more sheer. Let me just compare it. So here is my rosewood as compared to the pink. You can see it's quite a bit darker. I think the pink makes a really nice neutral shade. Again, I believe it's a bit more sheer. And the second product is the Lip Maximizer. I have actually not tried this yet. And this is a hyaluronic lip plumper. And again, this is in the color pink 001. So these are the 2 items included in the Lip Glow gift set in this beautiful velvet bag. This gift set retails for $76. I will link to these below on the Dior website, but I do think it is worth shopping around online if you are interested in purchasing these, because you may be able to find a deal through another retailer. The second kit I ordered is the Diorshow Mascara kit. This comes with 1 full-size mascara as well as a smaller lash primer. So let's open this up as well. And this, of course, does not come with a cosmetic case, as you can see. It comes with a small size of the Maximizer 3D Lash Primer and Serum. I actually just started using a lash primer and I really like it. I purchased one from Clinique. I actually have it here. I wanted to purchase one at a lower price point just to try it out and see how I like it. And I really love it. I apply it usually just to the upper outer eyelashes, and then I put my mascara on top, and it just gives a little more volume to the outside of my eyelashes, and I really like that look. So I think this is a great product to try out if you don't already use a lash primer. And the other one is their Diorshow Mascara. This is a beautiful, lovely mascara. This is one of my favorites. And it comes in this really beautiful packaging with Diorshow and the Dior Oblique. It looks just like a regular black mascara. So these are the two sets I purchased, the mascara and primer, as well as the lip glow and lip maximizer in the cosmetics case. It is the time that you've all been waiting for, giveaway time. I would like to announce my 1K-ish subscriber giveaway. Quick story for anyone who may follow me on Instagram. I posted probably about a week and a half ago that I had hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. This was a really fun milestone to celebrate because I really didn't think anybody would watch my videos, but surprise, people have, and I've gotten subscribers, and getting to meet and get to know so many wonderful people through the comments on my videos and connecting with viewers on Instagram as well. It's just been such a joy and really fulfilling. I've really enjoyed it. So I posted on Instagram that I hit 1,000 subscribers, but the strange thing happened is when I was around 900 subscribers, all of a sudden, my subscriber count went crazy. I got 100 subscribers, over 100 subscribers in 2 days. So this was very, very unusual. I had no idea what was happening, but because of this, I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I kept checking to see what was going on, if I could figure out maybe someone had mentioned my channel or posted a video somewhere. Nothing. I eventually got a notification that popped up on my phone from YouTube. Congratulations, you've hit 1,000 subscribers. Just one of those automated pop-up notifications. And I don't know why, but that was the thing that made me say, okay, I guess this is it. I guess I really did hit 1,000 subscribers. And then I went to sleep. The next day I woke up, 950. So I don't know what happened, but I happened to mention it to a fellow YouTuber who also has a luxury channel, a much larger luxury channel than mine. She said the same thing happened to her and other YouTubers a few months ago. But it just goes to show that these numbers really you have to take with a grain of salt. So because I purchased these items, I kind of hit 1K, and then now I'm working my way back. So I said, you know what, I'm not going to wait to hit 1K again. I love you guys. I'm just going to do a giveaway. So here we are. Little side note, I thought that might also be interesting to share because I know a lot of other fellow YouTubers and creators watch my videos as well. So for my giveaway, I'm going to keep the rules very, very simple. First of all, let's go over the prizes. Then we'll talk about how to enter. The prize for this giveaway is the Dior Beauty Set. It will come to you in the gift box packaging. You will receive the one Dior Addict Glow Set valued at $76, the Diorshow Mascara Set valued at $29.50, the 30 ml bottle of Miss Dior valued at $90, and I will also include the free sample of the Dior Rouge Red lipstick along with the pouch, just because I know I won't use this lipstick, so I will include that with the giveaway as well. This whole package is valued at $195. However, I know not everyone wears makeup. If you don't, this would also make a beautiful gift for a loved one, just saying. But if you opt to forgo the Dior gift set, I will alternatively offer an option for a $200 Saks Fifth Avenue gift card. To enter, very simple, 3 steps, just like my last giveaway. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Number 2, like this video. And number 3, comment below whether you would like the Dior Beauty set or the Saks gift card. Oh, and this will be an electronic gift card. It will be delivered via email if that is the gift that you choose. In your comment, I would appreciate it if you could also leave your Instagram name if you are on Instagram, because it just makes it easier for me to contact you should you win. However, if you leave your Instagram handle, do not include the @ or any special characters, because if you do, YouTube will delete your comment and then you will not be entered into the giveaway. So just put your YouTube name with no special characters. I'll be able to figure it out. So those are the rules. I will keep the giveaway open until Friday, November 25th. The giveaway will close that Friday at midnight, and I will randomly choose a winner thereafter. So good luck, and that's everything I have for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. As always, I hope you have a beautiful rest of the day, and please do come back every Wednesday and Friday for new videos on my channel. Bye-bye now.